This Wednesday, GIFT Nifty is pointing to a pause. That's quite obvious as our benchmark Nifty is just below its all-time high at 26,326 mark. Our call of the day, bullish consolidation shall be the preferred theme. Nifty is likely to take a breather on backdrop of biggest headwind. 1. The US economy expanded at an annualized pace of 4.3% in Q3, the fastest in 2 years. Strong US GDP data reinforced bets the Fed will keep rates steady in January and also raised concerns that the strength of the US economy could deter the central bank from resuming interest rate cuts next year. Bottom line, the Wall Street's end-of-year run could take a pause. Buy on any dips should however be the preferred theme as the benchmark Nifty has a realistic shot at reclaiming the 26,326 peak with an interweek intermonth perspective. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's positive session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1795 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 3812 crores. Bullish sentiments are likely to prevail for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest a massive breakout play after recent consolidation. FANO December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,700 and 26,700 zone. India VIX, the fear index has slipped near 9.68 levels. At last check, USD INR, December, was trading near the 89.75 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th December, is at 1.13 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th December, is at 0.80. Nifty outlook, Nifty may consolidate. No massive rally in sight. Nifty may struggle for direction. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 26177. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 26,100 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 26,326 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 26,100 and 26350. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 85567. Biggest intraday support for Sensex is now placed at 85,151 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 86,200 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 85,300 and 86,000. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 59304. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 59,000 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 60,115 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 59,000 and 60,000. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. Volatility is set to dominate today's trade, with sharp intraday swings keeping traders on edge. That said, murmurs of another quarter-point rate cut from the Federal Reserve are acting as a safety net, cushioning the downside and keeping bullish hopes firmly alive. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Coal India, plus 3. 66%, 401 rupees. Coal India stole the spotlight, surging 3.35% in yesterday's trade. Key catalyst, IPO buzz around Bharat Coking Coal Limited, BCCL. Coal India's Maharatna subsidiary, BCCL, is reportedly gearing up to launch its IPO within the next 2 weeks, according to media reports. The proposed listing is seen as a significant value-unlocking exercise and aligns with the government's broader strategy of monetizing state-owned assets through the capital markets. The IPO optimism has clearly lifted investor sentiment around Coal India, positioning the stock as a standout outperformer for the session. 2. Cement stocks in focus, shares of Ambuja Cements, plus 1.25%, and Orient Cement, plus 4.18%, advanced on Tuesday, 23rd December, after Ambuja announced plans to merge its subsidiaries ACC and Orient Cement into the parent company. ACC shares, minus 1.37%, however, declined following the announcement, as investors digested the merger implications. All three cement companies are part of the Gautam Adani-led Adani Group. 3. Ola Electric, plus 0.26%, was in the limelight as shares climbed to an intraday high of 36 rupees and 10 paise after the company announced an expansion of its hyperservice initiative, reinforcing confidence in its after-sales and service network push. Shares of Ather Energy too jumped 1.12% at 707 rupees. Source, Livmint, Money Control, Capital Market, Business Standard.